Once you have jobs posted on your job board from different employers or recruiters or different companies, what you can do is you can set up XML exports. If you want to come over here to the left navigation panel, you're going to click Tools, Job Exports. And what a job export does is it creates an XML feed that allows you to drive traffic to your jobs. So you can come up over here and click Add Job Export. And what you'll see next is a listing of different fields. And the main one you'll look at is this vendor processors here. So this is a listing of various job board aggregators, they're called. So some of the larger ones are in there, like Indeed, JobGate, ZipRecruiter. And what you're basically doing is you're going to create an XML file. And you're going to be able to send that to this job board aggregator. And you can decide whether or not you send all of your jobs just by leaving all of these fields empty right here, unless you want to send maybe one company on your site is paying a little bit more and you want to just send their jobs. You can send jobs from a specific location. And then you can also set how often the exporter actually runs. And so again, going back up to the top, for example, you want to send a feed of jobs to ZipRecruiter. You'll go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click Submit. And then you'll be brought back to this page here. And if you click on Logs, you'll see that it creates the XML file here. This is the file that you would send to ZipRecruiter. You would contact them and say, I have a job feed from my job board of 1,000 jobs, or how many of our jobs are in it. And you would work with them directly to set up a budget. Most of them do charge you either a monthly budget or on a cost per click basis, because what you're doing is you're bidding for your jobs to show up in their search results. And then you're kind of piggybacking on traffic from those larger job aggregators, because when somebody clicks on the job on those sites, they're brought back to your job board where they're prompted to register. So this is a really nice option that you can set up. You can use as many exporters in there as you want to drive traffic to your site. Again, some of them, when you do go to job exports and you want to add one in here, when you're looking at the list of vendors, most of them do charge you, so you would have to contact them directly to find out the pricing. It varies with industry and job volume, but there are a handful in here that do allow you to send them a feed of jobs at no cost. So we recommend just reaching out to your HiringOpps project manager with any questions on those potential exporters that might take a feed of jobs at no cost. And again, this is a great way to drive traffic to your site. The other nice option is that all exporters are appended with tracking information. So if you send a feed of jobs out to LinkedIn, for example, that feed will be appended with tracking. And so you'll be able to come under Reports and Logs, Registration Reports, and you'll be able to run, they're built in as affiliate reports. So you could choose the affiliate candidate referrals. And what this will do is, for example, if you sent a feed of jobs to LinkedIn and you paid $1,000, you'll be able to see if you received 27 candidates from that traffic. So you'll be able to measure your ROI, your CPA, to make sure you're getting a good return on your investment.